Let's see Ethereum against US dollar. It was bullish this week, where we can see the price has reached this area around 2100, and then the price has dropped down. I have mentioned the previous week analysis that I am expecting the price will reach around 1920, this area, and the price has reached that area and then found enough bull strength to push the price even more higher above this area here. Just a minute. We can see that the very important level for the daily time frame was here, which the price has broken to the upside, and now reaching this area, great resistance, now retracing back down. We can see in the past when the price has making a breakout to this one area, the price reached this area here as it currently is, and then bouncing back down, returning to this great support and then bouncing sideways. So as it looks right now, the price has reached its top. Now I'm expecting that the price will go down, but let's see first how this looks on the weekly time frame. Overview weekly. Just a minute. Let's make this like this. You can see very important level has been broken to the upside, and that is 1950. This is visible here, this great resistance level, and the next one where the price is stopped is this one, 2100. Now the price on the weekly time frame has made a breakout. There are 2 more days until this week ends. So after this breakout has been formed, I am expecting that the price will make a validation, and that is returning back down to 1950 or around that price level, which will be much more clearly visible on the daily time frame. But let's see how this looks on the monthly. The monthly is also making a breakout to the upside. We can see very important level has been broken at 1950. And then there is a possibility that the price will continue to move up, and very important level for the price is 2200 price level on the monthly time frame. So in order that this month has been validated as a bullish breakout, I need to see the price staying above, and then the next month returns back down and confirming this breakout as a valid one. So this is very important level for the monthly time frame to hold above 1950. So we have 2+ weeks until this month ends, so I need to see how the price will behave around this price level. If the price goes down back inside, it will be a false try to break to the upside, so then I will see what happens and how the price behaves around this area, which is also on the below side, 1850. Now let's see on the weekly time frame. After the breakout has happened, I'm expecting there is a possibility that the price returns back down around 1950, and then it needs to hold in order to see the price on higher price levels. But if it goes below this one, this will mean that the price will form some kind of a bearish pin bar, which will suggest a still strong sell-off to the downside. But we have 2 more days to see how this week ends, so I will stay and follow. But as it looks right now, everything looks bullish, with the probability that the price will return and make confirmation of this bullish breakout as the valid one. Let's go to the daily and see how this looks. Let's do it like this and this. After the breakout happened, I would like to see the price returns around this one, 1960, 1970, to validate this bullish breakout as a valid one, and then find a great support and continue to move up. If the price goes here and not closing below that, below 1918, this will mean that the price has found enough strength to hold the price on higher price levels, and it will not return back inside. So I'm expecting that the price will bounce from this area and then return back up because of this strong bullish momentum. Just a minute, let's stretch this a little bit more up and see. Okay, and let's stretch this one a little bit more up. So the price has gone outside of this uptrend channel, you can see it here, and there is a possibility that the price returns back here around this area with a wick touching here around 1970, and then continue to move even more higher on the higher price level. It is very important level for the price, and also I have mentioned on the high price level on the monthly that the very important level for the monthly time frame is 2200, which is all around this one here. Just a minute. is this one here. So now I'm expecting that the price will return back down, confirm this validation of breakout on the weekly time frame, and then continue to move even more up. If the price goes below 1920 on the daily time frame, this will mean probably on the weekly time frame false breakout, but we need to see how this week ends, 2 more days, and I will see will the price stay above on the daily time frame or it will go inside. But as it looks right now, everything looks bullish, so I'm expecting the price on the Ethereum will drop slightly and then continue to move up. Let's see what happens, and we'll make a next analysis next week to see how the market looks, and will it confirm this bullish overview as it looks right now. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.